Your Pixel's display can look flawless one second and pick up an expensive scratch or crack the next. Choosing the right Pixel 11 Pro XL screen protector means protecting that premium screen without ruining touch response, clarity, or everyday usability. The strongest options handle those compromises surprisingly well. Stick around to see what separates them. Then explore the recommended protectors through the links below. The number 7 product on our list is Asstar Privacy Screen Protector. Your screen can be physically protected, yet still expose something important the moment someone looks over your shoulder. That overlooked problem matters on trains, in offices, or anywhere you check private messages in public. Asstar Privacy Screen Protector addresses it with a 25-degree viewing angle designed to restrict side visibility while keeping the display readable directly in front of you. Its 9H+ tempered glass also adds resistance against keys, coins, scratches, and everyday impacts, so privacy does not replace physical protection. Fingerprint unlocking remains supported after re-registering your fingerprint, while an oleophobic coating helps reduce distracting smudges. Compared with standard clear glass, you gain meaningful visual privacy, although sharing your screen becomes less convenient. Rounded edges and case-friendly coverage improve compatibility, while the alignment frame simplifies bubble-free installation. It makes sense for privacy-focused commuting or office use, but the next protector shifts attention toward preserving a clearer, more natural viewing experience. At number 6 is amFilm Screen Protector. Even strong tempered glass becomes frustrating when one tiny alignment mistake leaves dust, bubbles, or crooked edges staring back at you daily. Installation matters because protection only works well when the glass sits correctly from the start. amFilm Screen Protector tackles that headache with a one-touch automatic alignment kit designed to position the protector in about 30 seconds. The payoff goes beyond convenience. Ultra 9H glass provides resistance against everyday impacts and scratches, while hydrophobic and oil-repellent treatment helps keep fingerprints and sweat from constantly clouding your display. Unlike the previous privacy-focused option, amFilm prioritizes an unobstructed, clear viewing experience, making it better when screen brightness and natural visibility matter more than blocking side glances. Touch sensitivity remains responsive for tapping, swiping, and gaming. The trade-off is straightforward. You lose dedicated privacy filtering. It suits you if effortless installation and clarity come first, but the next protector introduces a different approach to keeping that expensive display protected. At number 5 is Daben Screen Protector. Dust is the installation mistake you may not notice until the protector is already sealed, and that tiny trapped speck becomes impossible to ignore. Avoiding it requires more than simply lining up the glass correctly. Daben Screen Protector combines automatic positioning, dust removal, and adsorption in a press and pull installation system, reducing several failure points at once. Its protection story goes further with triple ion exchange glass claimed to exceed conventional 9H hardness, adding another layer against drops and impacts. Here is the overlooked benefit. Optical grade transparency is paired with blue light filtering, aiming to preserve a clear image while making extended viewing more comfortable. Compared with amFilm, both simplify installation, but Daben adds automated dust removal and eye-focused filtering as its distinctive advantages. Fingerprint-resistant coating also keeps swiping cleaner. Blue light filtering may subtly alter display appearance for color-sensitive work, though. Next comes a protector focused on preserving the Pixel experience with a particularly refined fit. At number 4 is Ringke Screen Protector. A screen protector can survive scratches, yet still become annoying if its edges fight your case or touch response feels noticeably different. That makes fit and everyday usability just as important as glass hardness. Ringke Screen Protector takes a straightforward approach with custom-fitted tempered glass and an installation tool designed to help you position it accurately. Its 9H hardness provides a defensive layer against routine scratches and contact, while high transparency keeps the Pixel display
looking natural instead of noticeably muted. The useful detail is its oleophobic coating, which reduces fingerprint buildup so repeated swipes leave less distracting residue. Compared with Daben, Ringke skips extras like blue light filtering and instead focuses on clarity, touch response, and case-friendly compatibility, which can matter more if you frequently change cases. The trade-off is fewer specialized features. It suits you if simplicity and dependable fit matter most. Next, installation becomes the headline, with an automatic system designed to remove much of the usual application hassle. The third one on our list is Magic John Screen Protector. The smallest speck of dust can ruin an otherwise perfect installation, and discovering it after the glass settles makes the mistake even more frustrating. Removing that variable entirely is where a better application system earns its value. Magic John Screen Protector uses automatic dust removal technology that aligns the glass and captures debris as you pull, helping create a clean, bubble-free finish. Its 9H tempered glass then handles the everyday threats that actually matter, from keys and coins to accidental impacts. Better still, the oleophobic surface reduces fingerprints while preserving smooth swipes and responsive fingerprint unlocking. Compared with Ringke's simpler alignment approach, Magic John actively targets dust during installation, making it appealing if application mistakes worry you most. A reserved edge margin also helps prevent cases from lifting the glass, though it means coverage stops slightly short of the outermost edge. Next comes another installation-focused design, but with a tray system built specifically around repeatable alignment and fast application. On number 2 is Spigen GlasTR Easy Fit Pro Screen Protector. A perfectly installed protector means little if the glass itself changes how your expensive pixel display looks or responds. The tougher challenge is adding meaningful durability while making that extra layer almost disappear during everyday use. Spigen GlasTR Easy Fit Pro Screen Protector uses AluminaCore glass strengthened through ion exchange, reaching a claimed 10H+ surface hardness for stronger resistance against keys, coins, and daily wear. Yet its standout detail is only 0.25 mm of thickness, helping preserve original touch sensitivity alongside optical clarity. The glass is also tuned for the pixel fingerprint sensor, so protection does not require sacrificing a feature you use constantly. Compared with Magic John, Spigen combines dust removal with a pre-engineered alignment tray, while placing greater emphasis on material hardness and optical performance. Case-friendly edges add flexibility, although specialized glass may command a premium. The final protector takes durability even further, targeting the fear that tempered glass itself can become the weak link. Now moving to the last one is Torras Unbreakable Screen Protector. The protector meant to save your display should not become the first thing that cracks when your phone takes a serious fall. That is where impact resistance matters more than simply advertising everyday scratch protection. Torras Unbreakable Screen Protector combines 9H+ tempered glass with shock-resistant materials and claims survival through 12-foot multi-angle drop testing, alongside more than 2,500 scratch resistance tests. The useful takeaway is that reinforced edges matter too, because chips often begin where exposed glass is most vulnerable. At 0.28 mm thin, it still aims to preserve display clarity, touch response, and reliable fingerprint unlocking. Compared with Spigen's harder 10H+ surface rating, Torras emphasizes broader impact survival and edge reinforcement rather than surface hardness alone. Its auto-alignment kit and air release channels also simplify installation. The trade-off is slightly greater thickness than Spigen. For you, if major drop protection outweighs that tiny difference, this combination earns the final position and closes the ranking convincingly. So guys, that brings us to the end of our video on the Pixel 11 Pro XL screen protectors you can buy right now. We've carefully covered a range of options designed for different hunting styles, environments, and budgets, so you can choose with confidence and avoid wasting your hard-earned money. All the product links are added in the description below, so take a moment to check them out, compare features, and pick the binocular that truly matches your terrain, game, and personal needs. If this video helped you in any way, whether it saved you time, cleared your confusion, or helped you avoid a bad purchase, please hit the like button. It genuinely motivates us and tells YouTube that honest, no-nonsense gear content matters. And if you're serious about hunting gear and outdoor equipment, make sure to subscribe. We've got more in-depth reviews, real night testing, comparisons, and practical tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, stay safe, happy hunting, and see you in the next one.